Welcome to my shop. My name is Steve. In this video I'm going to show you how I take the proverbial square peg and fit it into a round hole and make the handle to a marking knife. This marking knife, the steel is file. It was purchased from Woodcraft. The handle is curly maple and capped with Coca-Cola. So let's get to it. Get down to 0.25 and I'm at 0.32, so I got some work to do here. I'm just going to use one of the bench dogs and a block plane and take this down. Ideally what I would like to do is get them down to where they're approximately the same thickness. Well, the camera shut off and I'm not sure where it did. Where I left out, I've got some very thin portions of this 1/4 inch dowel left, and I'm going to sandwich this marking knife between that. I know I'm too thin because I've already measured it. I was looking for 1/4 inch. I'm 0.235, so about 15 thousandths less. The real key is whether I get a good tight fit by inserting it in the hole. Actually, it's a snug fit, so, and since I'm going to epoxy this in place, I think these will work. hurry on this one. I think I'm running out of my 5-minute time. We're getting close anyway. I am getting close. Nothing more boring than sanding is watching someone else sand. So I'm going to cut off here. Okay, so I've taken the painter's tape off the knife. The knives turned out pretty good. This is the smaller file knife and the large one. Just as a quick check, let's see how that works. I'd say these work pretty good, so thank you for watching. That's the way I make knife handles, and I also use this same methodology to make chisel handles. So thank you for watching, and if you got any questions, post them below. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.